Okay, here's part 2. There's a lot of filth around the face of the CRT. Oh, let me remove that. I'm going to have to put a new zip tie on there. Which is fine. I don't want to get the cord wet. It's not like I'm going to use the set today. It's hot. Never had the camera overheat before. It's on a stinking GoPro. Get the labels wet. Just don't wipe them. Let them dry. They'll dry alone. I mean, they'll dry by themselves. Jeez. One of those stinking worms again. It's not my doing, it's from the previous owner, if you didn't catch the last video. We checked this thing out outside when I got it. A few days after I got it. Or a week or so, I don't know. Because I knew the video wouldn't be out, and the video was out over a year later. Really took my time. Because of that, when I get a set these days, I do a video about it. Another dead fly or what? And that's a worm. Some kind of worm, I don't know. I like to give them a little water because, you know, it's hot. There you go. I know they know how to stay cool on their own. As far as I know. Kind of a plastic kind of sticker. That. Ouch. My mom and asshole brother are going somewhere. Too bad they can't give me Joe's Pizza. It's whatever. Still humid. Still humid, but at least it's hot. Go after this at 409. Found this in a box on the side of the road. You're not supposed to throw out chemicals during bulk pickup. So I grabbed it. Plus, why would you let this go to waste? Maybe I can fold in a view. It's not like simple green. I'm not going to let it sit. I'm just going to scrub it with a toothbrush. Actually, we'll use this. Made in Mexico. It's had an old school Dollar General label on it. Forget how much it was. This is made in Mexico too, so it's a match made in heaven. No, I'm just kidding. Who the hell cares? Super dry. I don't know what the hell around. So sorry. Guy hasn't still messaged me back about that Gold Star TV. I think I've mentioned that already. Ooh, that's a bit bent. What the hell's that all about? Weird. Was that crap? Got it. I don't need to take breaks that often, but I know. One blur. There's the cool horn oscillating. And GE clock my mother unplugged. Don't know why. She doesn't spend a whole lot of time in here. It's noisy. Not as noisy as my Westinghouse clock timer. I don't even use that. It's just a display prop on top of the Magnavox TV by the lamp. Now it's break time. Checking my email. This was in my spam folder. live streaming. 1,000 plus things, and there's 5 over-the-air channels. It's the next afternoon. The set's in the house. Most of the parts, except for some screws in the back. We have our capacitors, plus one for the portacolor, the correct one. Portacolor called for a 0.1 microfarad at 1,000 volts, and I misread it as 1 microfarad. And I did a web search, and apparently it does matter. So that'll be fixed later. So that's what's going on right now, brewing some coffee. And I'm watching a video about a GPX. And my coffee's ready. So, be back in a few hours. I'll replace the few caps tonight.